Write the following expression as a sum and or difference of logarithms. Express powers as factors. So before we get started on this example, I want to take a minute to look at the properties that we'll be using to follow these instructions. So we have something called a product rule for logarithms, and the product rule for logarithms is when you have multiplication inside of a logarithm. And when you have that multiplication, you can do what we call expanding, which is to write the log of each one of those factors. Notice that the base of the original is base b, and the base of these two new logs are also base b. Then we have something called the quotient rule for logarithms, and that's where you have a fraction or division inside the logarithm. And in that case, you can write this as the difference of these two logarithms. The value in the numerator, expression in the numerator, will be the positive log, and the value or expression from the denominator will be the negative log. And then finally, we have something called the power rule. And the power rule for logarithms is when we have an expression with a power inside of our logarithm. In that case, the exponent is multiplied by the logarithm to rewrite it. So for our example, we have natural log of x minus 2 over e to the 3x. So because we have a fraction or division inside the log, we're going to start off using the quotient rule. So using the quotient rule, we would have natural log of the numerator minus natural log of the denominator. Natural log of x minus 2, we're going to leave in that format. It's as simple as we're going to get it, because it doesn't have a product, a quotient, or a power inside that logarithm. For natural log e to the 3x, we have a power, so we can use the power rule, and we're going to take that exponent or power and multiply it by the log. And then the last thing that we're going to be able to do for this expression is to simplify natural log e. Natural log of e is 1, and so our expression, our final answer, will be natural log of x minus 2 minus 3x. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.